And straight ahead. It's usually along here that they find, sometimes they'll find a car here to parallel park with. So we don't have one. At the stop sign, we're going to turn left. They don't say stop sign, they say traffic sign or intersection.
Okay.
They don't want to tell you what it is. See, and they wouldn't use this vehicle because it's right at the bottom of a hill, close to a intersection. I could be wrong though. They could use it. Possibly. Depends if they think it's far enough away from that side road or the corner or down the hill. So we're going to turn left here.
I said it's a little rough.
Oh, yeah. I know. Rough roads. And this is a good speed, 40. Between 40 and 50, so okay. Oh, actually, you know what? No, this road now is 40.
Okay.
That's right. Used to be 50. No sign posted over, like, back there, though. The sign is posted at the end of the road, like, near the
that's
near the
helpful.
lights, I mean. It says ends, 40 ends there. So, I don't know where it begins. I didn't see a sign. We're going to go into the Rexall parking lot. Pigeon.
Yeah.
We're going to do the reverse parking
Okay.
between those two vehicles again.
Okay.
On the other side. And let's give the 90-degree shot a shot, like the 90-degree. Instead of swinging it out to the left, I'll lead you through it if you want me to.
Yes, please.
Okay, so stay right here.
Like the 3 lines?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, never mind about the lines. So signal right, and you just go past the space that you want to back into. Bring your right shoulder just past this car here. Just a little bit.